Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Hoy vamos a repasar la lección preliminar. We are going to review the lesson objectives. By now, we had already reviewed how to identify and describe people, talk about likes and dislikes, say where you and your friends go. So that's what we're going to do today, okay? Based on that, we are going to do some activities, okay? I'll tell you what activities we're going to do. This is from page 30. So you're going to go to page 30 and you're going to do activity 1 and activity 2. So let's begin today with the activity 1. Activity 1 is a listening activity and we are going to be using the verb ser. When do we use this verb ser? Ser is the verb that we use to describe people, okay, and ourselves. So as you can see in activity 1, you have A, B, C, and D. What you need to do is you gotta match other pictures with the descriptions you hear in the audio. So you're gonna come over here and click on the audio and it will come out right here and we're gonna listen.
Lección preliminar. Repaso de la lección. Actividad 1. Listen and match. Escucha las siguientes descripciones. Escribe la letra de la persona que corresponde. 1. Es baja y pelirroja.
1. Es baja y pelirroja. What's baja? Short. Pelirroja. Pelo is hair. Rojo is red. Pelirroja. Es baja y pelirroja. Which one would that be? B, right? Good. Let's continue. So this one will go is number 1.
2. Tiene el pelo castaño.
Tiene el pelo
3.
castaño. Which one has brown hair? Tiene el pelo castaño. Esta muchacha. This girl right here. 3.
Es desorganizada.
Es desorganizada. Who's disorganized? This person right here, right? It's a little disorganized.
4. Es joven y cómico.
Es joven y cómico. Who's joven? Joven is young. Cómico is funny. This kid looks like funny, right? He has a frog on his pocket.
5. Es muy atlética.
Es muy atlética. Atlética, like sports. Very good. I think it's this person right here. C.
6. Es alto y organizado.
Es alto y organizado.
7.
Who is alto y organizado? He's organized and tall. Muy bien. Y la última, 7.
Es rubio.
Es rubio. Es
8.
rubio. Rubio means blonde. This kid right here. And 8.
Es muy estudioso.
Es muy estudioso. Es muy estudioso. It seems he has books, libros, entonces él es estudioso. So with that, you're going to go over here, you're going to click on question. And right here, you're going to listen to it again. And picture A will go with which one, right? So let's see, picture A is this person right here. Picture is this person right here, C and D. So you're going to listen and you're going to select which one of these goes with which, with the audio. The first one was, let's listen to it again.
Lección preliminar. Repaso de la lección. Actividad 1. Listen and match. Escucha las siguientes descripciones. Escribe la letra de la persona que corresponde. 1. Es baja y pelirroja.
Es baja y pelirroja. Baja y pelirroja will be this person right here, which is B. So you select B and you go and play it again and play again and then select the other ones. Okay, you do all of these and make sure that you submit this. Please submit. Okay, so that's activity 1 that you will have to do. You also have activity 2. And activity 2, all you gotta do is describe what 2 friends or family members like or dislike. For example, they might like to play football, soccer, jugar al fútbol, o beber refrescos, to eat drink refreshments, leer libros, to read books. Las naranjas, they might like oranges. Los frijoles, beans, they might like beans. El pescado, they might like fish or might not like it, right? The verb that we are going to use to use likes and dislikes is the verb gustar, okay? The verb gustar, as you can see it right here. For example, it says Amanda, Amanda, remember the preposition a goes first. That states to whom or to what. In this case, to whom something like is likable, is pleasing to. Amanda le gustan las naranjas. Pero a Luis no le gustan. But a Luis, remember, a Luis no le gustan. If you are referring to one person, you use le before the verb gustar, before you conjugate it. If you're referring to more than one, you're referring to more, when you're referring to more than one person, you say less, right? Now, if you're talking about items, you conjugate the verb gustar. If you're talking about naranjas, naranjas is more than one, so it will be gustan, right? No le gustan. A mí me gustan las naranjas también. It's pleasing, oranges are pleasing to me. Don't forget, the structure goes a, mí, me. A mí me gustan las naranjas también. Okay? So this is what you have to do in this activity. So in activity 2, you're going to click on the question and this will pop out. And you're going to write here what a person that you know like or dislike. So for example, right here they give you the model, like I already said to you. Amanda les gustan las naranjas. Amanda likes oranges, but Luis no le gustan. But Luis doesn't like them. A mí me gustan las naranjas también. I like oranges as well. So what are you going to do? You're going to grab any of these activities, jugar al fútbol, las naranjas, beber refrescos, or you can even describe beber libros, or other things such as, well, yeah, that's some of the things that are here given to you. So you're going to write down, first of all, a, which is to Pedro, because it's he, it will be le, it's one person. Gusta jugar fútbol. Jugar fútbol. Remember, Pedro le gusta jugar fútbol. But fútbol, la U has an accent. In Spanish has an accent on the U. So you will find the one that has the accent and you will put it on. So where is it? Oh, here we go. Football. And then you put comma, pero, which means but, a Juan no le gusta. Do you like it? Do you like football? If you like it, you say, a mí me gusta el fútbol. Don't forget, football has an accent on it. También. También has an accent on the E, so you will look for the E. También means also. Where is the E with an accent? Oh, there it is. También. And then you submit it. Make sure that you do your own, make your own. You can use jugar al fútbol, beber refrescos, las naranjas, los frijoles, el pescado, los libros, okay? And click submit. That's all the activity that you have to do for today. Make sure to use le and les, okay? If you're talking about more than one, it's less. Talking about one person, le, okay? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm right here. Nos vemos pronto. Ciao. In activity 3, we're going to use the verb ir, to go. Okay, well, we're going to review that. Just remember that sometimes when you have two verbs in one sentence, the first one gets conjugated and the second one doesn't. Okay, like here, yo quiero ver una película. I want to see a movie. Where do you say that you do or you go to watch a movie? You go to the movie theaters, right? Well, not right now, since COVID times, we just watch it at home. But regularly, you will go to the movies. Say, voy, and the preposition a goes after, voy al cine. So right here, you have, Manolo quiere sacar un libro. Manolo wants to take out a book. Where does he go to do that? He goes to the library, right? How do you say library? Biblioteca. So you will write va, because that will be the correct form for him, for one person, he, right? Manolo va a la biblioteca. So you do one, you do that, you write, and then you go to the next one. Tú quieres practicar deportes. You want to practice sports. Remember, first verb is conjugated, the second one stays the same. Where do you go to practice sports? You can go to the gym, or you can go to the stadium, right? So you say, voy, I go. Voy al gimnasio, I'm going to the gym. O voy al estadio. O voy al parque, whatever it is that you go and practice your sport. Dora y Bárbara quieren comer. Dora and Barbara, they want to eat, right? One verb conjugated, the first one, the second one stays the same. So it's them, stay. So will be a correct form for the verb ir will be van. Dora y Bárbara van al restaurante, to the restaurant. Okay, and then you go ahead and do all of them based on where displayed people are going to do these things. Okay, so you click here, the question, and it will give you the option to either write it down right here. So you go for each one. Si Manolo quiere sacar un libro, where does he go? So he will be va a la biblioteca, period. If you want to put the name first, you can put Manolo. Or if you want to just put the pronoun for Manolo will be él. Él va a la biblioteca. Sorry about that. Él va a la biblioteca. We go to the next one. Tú quieres practicar deportes. So vas a él. But remember, when we have él, gimnasio, period. When you have the preposition a and the article el, what you can do a contraction. Take the e out and attach it to the preposition a, leaving the word al, which means the same exact thing. Okay, so you're gonna do that for each one of those, and then click submit. Okay, all right, I will talk to you guys in a few minutes. Adios.